Hello, friends. Today, we are going to learn about shapes. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at this shape. This is a circle. A circle is round and has no corners. It's just smooth all around. Can you think of something that is a circle? Like a ball or a clock. Next, we have a square. A square has 4 sides, and all 4 sides are the same length. Can you find a square around you? Maybe a window or a picture frame. Now, look at this shape. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It looks like a slice of pizza or a mountain. Can you think of something else that is a triangle? And here we have a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. It is longer in one direction. You can find a rectangle in your door, your book, or your phone. Today, we learned about 4 shapes: the circle, the square, the triangle, and the rectangle. Shapes are everywhere. Now, look around. Can you see any of these shapes? Try to find them in your room. Good job, friends! You learned about shapes today. See you next time.